Well, everybody, I got my mulch. I was gonna record whenever he was dropping it off, but completely forgot. But we got our mulch in. It's gonna be good for the gardens. Start filling these beds here pretty soon. It's a nice cool day to do that instead of doing it in the heat. We got a great big one. It's got a couple of big limbs in it, which that's fine. That's perfectly fine, because if I don't use those big tree trunks, what I can do is burn them, and then I can use the ash for the chickens and also for the garden. But I really want to check out this piece here. And I'm holding my phone, so y'all bear with me here. I want to check this piece out. If it's, I don't know. If that's any good, I might try to make something out of that, like a table or something. And then this one here, we can always just burn this big piece here. Or chop it up and make, so you can chop this up and make like plates for your garden, you know, like stepping stones for your garden or something like that. But we got the mulch in, guys. If I work on it today, it's kind of cold today. We're at 20 something degrees right now. If I work on it today, I'll be filling these raised bed gardens in with it, and I'll start clearing all that out. I'm pretty sure I lost a lot of my stuff last night, excuse me, because it got really cold. I didn't pull them out, which, I mean, it's fine. See how they're really wilty. I would like to, the jalapeno plants might be okay. The tomatoes are probably not going to be okay. And then look at this. This is neat. It's got ice on it. I don't want to touch it too much because I don't want the, it's got ice on it. I was going to pull this up and I completely forgot. My cilantro is probably going to be a goner. I didn't, look at this little broccoli sticking out. Look at all the ice on the leaves. Even the broccoli got some ice on it. Taking some pictures, that way I can put it in the community. Isn't it beautiful though? It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. This thing got, ooh, that sun needs to come on. I don't know if those are gonna last. Look at the, I don't know if y'all can see the smoke coming off of that because it's so cold. Let's check on this stuff over here. My poor carrots. Like, oh no, what happened? Oh, I did pull this and I gave it to the chickens the other day. Man, that stuff had gone so far, it made my hand smell. Sage, strawberry plants. So this is just like a little frost that happened, a little freeze that happened. We're supposed to get warm today, guys. So stick around. I'm going to have lots more videos for the month of December, and we'll see you next time.